Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I was showing you how to subscribe for Walmart delivery. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can search for everything at Walmart online and in store. Also in the top right corner, we have your items, the account, and your shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and subscribe for Walmart delivery. So to subscribe for Walmart delivery, you can follow these steps. First of all, sign up to Walmart Plus. Go to Walmart Plus page and start your free 30-day trial. After the trial, the membership costs $98 annually or $12.95 monthly. Then, of course, create your Walmart account, which we already talked about. Add items to your cart. So go to the search bar, find any item, of course. Click on the just a second. Click on a plus button that will be here to add it to your cart. Okay, so yeah, here, click on the plus button. It will be added to your cart in the top right corner. After you click there, then select delivery options, choose a delivery date and time that works for you. Ensure your order meets the $35 minimum for free delivery with Walmart Plus. Go to checkout, and that will be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything. Bye, guys.